hit your body yourself or not? I mean, somebody did like this. Hit yourself, right?
What's the name of course?
So you don't need that. So don't hurt yourself.
What's the name of?
One knife hand between your hand and body. Stop here. Okay, please. Okay, again.